Hello, students. This is Archana Swasri Tripathi, and I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel, Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So, let's start learning. Now, tell me, is my voice audible to you all? Can you hear me? All of you? Can you hear me? Then type yes in the chat box. Okay? Okay, very good. You can hear me. Now, let me know, how are you all? Are you all safe at home? Okay, very good. Don't go outside. Okay, stay home and stay safe. So, I am so happy to know that all of you are safe and all of you are eagerly waiting for this class, right? Okay, now tell me, how was the trip to Dubai? Last Sunday, I think all of you had a trip to Dubai, right? Awaiti Learning provided you an opportunity to have a visit to where? Dubai. So, how was the trip? Have you all enjoyed the trip? How was that? Superb. Wow. Very good. I know all of you have a new experience. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, quickly come to the class and join. All of you should inform to your friends to join in Awaiti Learning. Okay. Now let me tell you, how do we join in the live class? Okay. As usual, all of you have known it very well. Anyways, you just have to subscribe our YouTube channel, Awaiti Learning, and press the bell icon for more updates. Before we start this class, you should follow the rules of the live class. Okay. The first one is, only you have to write the answer which is asked in the chat box or comment box. Then, the most important thing, that don't chat with each other. Always you are busy in chatting with each other. See, you will face problem while watching the video. Okay. So don't waste your time in chatting with each other. And finally, you should have to note down the important points after watching the video. Okay. As you know, you can find anytime in YouTube. So point out the important things after watching the video. Clear? Okay. So it's the time to it's the time to participate in the quiz section. Right? Okay. Then let's rush. So, in our last class, we have learned about the festivals which are celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. So, here are some questions related to that state. So, let me know all of you have learned or not. Okay, so let's have a test. Now, quickly answer the question number 1. And it is Arunachal Pradesh lies in the North Mountain region of Dash. Option A, Karakoram. Option B, Himalayas. Option C, Aravallis. Option D, Vindhyas. Write the correct answer in the chat box. Instead of chatting with each other, you should have to write the correct answer of this question in the chat box. So do quickly. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yes, right answer. Right answer. All of you have given the right answer. And the right answer is B, Himalaya. Answer is B, Himalayas. Okay. Now, question number 2. The people of Arunachal Pradesh observe Dash as a New Year festival. Option A, Losar. Option B, Mopin. Option C, Zero. Option D, Bihu. Which is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh? Quickly write the answer in the chat box. Yes. And the New Year festival is? And the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh is? Yes. Option A, Losar. Losar is the right answer. Here you can see the picture of Losar. Losar is the New Year festival, and we know that it is the most important festival of Arunachal Pradesh. Now let's move on to question number 3. Dash is the harvest festival of the Galo tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. Which is the harvest festival? Losar is the New Year festival. Then which is the harvest festival of Arunachal Pradesh? Yes, all of you have given the correct answer, and the correct answer is Mopin. B. Mopin. Here is the harvest festival of Arunachal Pradesh, and the name of the harvest festival is Mopin. Then question number 4. The Galo tribes pray goddess dash for prosperity and wealth. The Galo tribes pray goddess dash for prosperity and wealth. Quickly write the answer. Write the answer in the chat box. I know all of you have learnt. All of you have learnt by heart. Yes or no? That's why you are answering correctly. Very good. Yes, all of you have given the correct answer. And the correct answer is Goddess Mopin. Very good. So, the people of Arunachal Pradesh worship Goddess Mopin and they pray to drive away the evil spirits and for acquiring prosperity and wealth. Okay. Now, question number 5. The indigenous folk dance which is performed by the young women in Arunachal Pradesh is which is the indigenous folk dance which is performed only by the young women. So write down the right answer in the comment box quickly. Quickly write down the correct answer. What is the name of the folk dance? The indigenous folk dance. Indigenous means originating from the particular place or the native folk dance. Sthanyo বা দেশীয় স্বদেশী নিজ স্থানর লোকনৃত্য. What is that? Which is only performed by the young women. Yes, and the answer is Popir. Popir is the right answer, and here you can see the women are dancing. Only the young women are dancing, and the dance is Popir, the folk dance. Then question number 6. The iconic outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh is dash. Which is the outdoor musical festival? Which is the outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh? The iconic outdoor musical festival. Iconic means symbolic. Quickly write the answer. Yes. Yes. All of you have given the right answer. See, Losar is the New Year festival. Then Mopin is the what? Harvest festival, right? And Bihu is celebrated in Assam. So genuinely, the answer is 0. Here we can see 0, which is an outdoor musical festival, which is held at 0 in the month of September every year. Okay. So, question number 7. A combination of dash indie bands take part in 0 festival. Write down the answer. Yes, the answer is 30. A combination of 30 indie bands from across the world and the top folk acts from across Northeast India. Now here is an Indian map. You can see and answer me. Question number 8. Dispur is the capital of dash. So, in this picture, you can see this is the Northeast India. Okay. So, find out Dispur and tell me in which state Dispur is located. Dispur is the capital of dash, means dash state. Option A, Assam. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Sikkim. Option D, Manipur. Quickly write down the correct answer in the chat box without wasting your time in chatting with each other. Just focus on the question and write down the correct answer. And the answer is yes, all of you have written the correct answer. Dispur is the capital of Assam. And here is the right answer, Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Now, again another question, question number 9. Itanagar is the capital of dash. See, this is the northeast part of India and find out Itanagar and answer the question in which state Itanagar is located. Option A, Assam. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Sikkim. Option D, Manipur. Write down the right answer. Yes, and the right answer is Arunachal Pradesh. And here is Itanagar and this is Arunachal Pradesh. So Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Then tell me, Imphal is the capital of dash state. Imphal is the capital of dash state. A, Assam. B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Sikkim, D. Manipur. And the right answer is yes, all of you have given the correct answer, and the right answer is Manipur. So here is Imphal, and Imphal is the capital of the state Manipur. So I hope all of you have known about today's topic. So today we are going to discuss about the festivals which are celebrated in Manipur. So let's have a visit to Manipur. So do you want to visit to Manipur? Okay, then let's go. Now let's meet with some new words. The first one is sumptuous. Means very rich and with a lot of variety. Here in this chapter, the meaning of sumptuous is very expensive. Sumptuous food means very expensive food, very rich food, having a lot of variety. Then feast means a large meal, especially to celebrate something. When we are celebrating something, then we are having feast in our picnic party, birthday party, wedding party. So we are having feast. So that is a large special meal. भोजी ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କହୁ. Then decorate means make something look more attractive by adding extra items. ସଜେଇବା ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଦେଖାଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବେ ସଜେଇବା. Then ritual means it is a religious rites, or we can say the customary ways of celebrating a religion. अर्थात रीति रिवाज. Then hilltop means top of the hill. So here you can see this is a hill and this is the hilltop area. This area or this area you can see, these are the hilltop area. Top of the hill is known as hilltop. Now let's understand the text. So today we are going to discuss about the festivals which are celebrated in Manipur. So the charming festival of Manipur is Ningol Chakoba. Here you can see this is a very beautiful festival and the women are having some gifts on their head. So Ningal Chakova is a festival which unite the people so that they live and work together more happily. And it recreates the relationship between married girls and parents. ବିବାହିତ କନ୍ୟା ଓ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ମାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଏକ ଅତୁଟ ବନ୍ଧନ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିଥାଏ ଏହି ନିଙ୍ଗଲ ଚକୋବା ପର୍ବଟି. Then another New Year festival of Manipur is Shiroba, which is genuinely celebrated in the month of April. So, in this festival, people clean their home and prepare special festive dishes. So, what do we mean by festive dishes or festival dishes? means the dishes which are especially made on the special occasion or for the particular festival. So here we have an idea about the festivals. So there are two festivals. One is Ningol Chakoba and the other one is Shirova, which is the New Year festival of Manipur. So here are the festivals which are celebrated in Manipur. So now let me remind you, how do you join in the live class? So as usual, you all have known that you just have to subscribe our YouTube channel, Awaiti Learning, and you should have to press the bell icon to get more notifications quickly. Okay. Now see, this is the picture of Indian map and answer the question. Aizawl is the capital of Dash state. Option A, Assam. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Mizoram. Option D, Manipur. Just focus on the picture, especially on the northeast part, and find out the capital Aizawl and answer in which state it is located. So yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is this, Mizoram. Mizoram is the right answer. Here we can find Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. So let's know about the festivals of Mizoram. So let's have a look upon the new word, headgear. Headgear means something worn on the head as a cover or protection or a fashion for a religious purpose. So it is a one type of cap, a fashionable cap for a special religious purpose which is related to some particular festival. So in Mizoram there is a festival, Chapcharkut. It is a spring festival which is mostly celebrated in Mizoram. Here in this picture you can see how the women are dancing, and this is the celebration style in which men and women of all ages wearing traditional dresses. Here you can see all are wearing their traditional dresses and also headgear. All are wearing their headgear and perform the folk dances and sing the traditional songs on this occasion. तो मिजोराम रो अधिवासी माने चाप्चरकूट पर्वटी बसंत ऋतु पालन करथांती। तो एही पर्व कौन हुए, प्रत्येक पुरुष एवं महिला निजर पारंपरिक पोशाक पिंधि थांती, मुंडर एक स्वतंत्र प्रकार किरटी धारण करिथांती एवं निजर स्थानीय ଲୋକନୃତ୍ୟରେ ନୃତ୍ୟ କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ନିଜର ପାରମ୍ପରିକ ଗୀତକୁ ଗାନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। Drums, gongs and cymbals are used in this occasion. So here is the drum and it is the gong and it is cymbals. So drum you know and gong means ghonta ba ghonta and cymbals you know ginni. Okay, so these three musical instruments are used in this occasion. Means in which occasion? In Chapchar festival. Okay. So this is all about the festivals of Manipur and Mizoram. And here are some questions for you. Question number 1. Ningol Chakoba revives the relation between dash and dash. Ningol Chakoba is the famous festival of Manipur which revives the relationships between dash and dash. Option A, married girls and parents. Option B, unmarried girls and their parents. Option C, married son and their parents. Option D, unmarried son and their parents. So quickly write the correct answer which we have learnt recently. I hope all of you have the potentiality to write the correct answer. And the right answer is, yes, all of you have given the right answer. The right answer is married girls and parents. So Ningal Chakoba revives the relationships between married girls and parents. Here we can see in this picture. Let's move on to question number 2. In this festival, the women and their children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. In which festival of Manipur? Option A, Losar. Option B, Bihu. Option C, Ningal Chakoba. Option D, 0. Quickly write down the correct answer in the comment box. Without wasting your time in chatting with each other. Don't chat with each other. Always you are busy in chatting with each other instead of focusing on the study. So don't waste your time. Yes. Quick. Write down the correct answer. Yes, the right answer is Ningol Chakoba is the right answer. So question number 3. During Ningol Chakoba, the married women and their children are given dash. Option A, chocolates. Option B, feast. Option C, gifts. Option D, feast and gifts. And yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is option D, feast and gift. Here you can see in this picture both feast and gifts are there. Then question number 4. The Manipur New Year festival is dash. Which is the Manipur New Year festival? A. Ningol Chakoba, B. Shiroba, C. Shapsharkut, D. Bihu. Yes, quickly write down the answer. Yes, all of you are the genius students. All of you are the brilliant students of Awaiti Learning. We are very much fortunate to have you, especially the students like you who are answering so fast and so correct. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is Shiroba. So, option B is the right answer. Now, let's move on to question number 5. Shirova is celebrated in the month of dash. A. January, B. February, C. March, D. April. So, as we know that Shirova is known as the Manipur New Year festival, and in this festival people clean their house, decorate their house, and prepare special festive dishes. Okay, so in which month Shirova is celebrated? Yes, correct answer. The right answer is in the month of April. In the month of April, the New Year festival, the Manipur New Year festival, Shiroba is celebrated. Now let's move on to question number 6. In Mizoram, Shapsharkut is popularly known as dash. Option A, the winter festival. Option B, the spring festival. Option C, the rainy festival. Option D, the summer festival. Means in which season Shapsharkut is celebrated. So otherwise it is known as the dash festival. And the right answer is yes. It is known as the spring festival. Shapsharkut is the spring festival. So now let's move on to the last question, I think. Question number 7. The musical instruments used in Shapsharkut are dash. Option A, drums. Option B, gongs. Option C, cymbals. And option D, all the above. It's a very easy answer. So, without wasting your time, quickly write down the correct answer in the comment box. Quick. Yes, the answer is D, all the above. Here, all the above means drums, gongs, and cymbals. Okay. So, students, this is all about the festivals which are celebrated in Manipur and Mizoram. I hope all of you have got your point clearly. Right? Okay. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation. And see, again I want to tell you that how can you join live Just you have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and just press the bell icon to get more notifications. And we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning. So students, my dear lovely students, for today this much. We will meet in our next class with a new festival. Okay, till then, keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.